Asparagus has anti-cancer properties, is beneficial to the brain, and can aid in weight loss. Keep watching to the end to discover more about asparagus nutrition and the benefits of eating asparagus. Asparagus is a nutritionally dense spring vegetable. It's best to eat asparagus as soon as you get it, whether it's fresh from the farmer's market or from the grocery store. Asparagus goes well with a variety of other spring vegetables and flavors, such as peas, garlic, and new potatoes. 1 cup of cooked asparagus has 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 404 milligrams of potassium per cup. Potassium is good for blood pressure, and asparagus contains a compound called asparaptine, which improves blood flow and, as a result, lowers blood pressure. Keep watching to discover the top 5 health benefits of asparagus. 1. It's high in nutrients and provides nutritional benefits. Asparagus is a high-nutrient vegetable. It's a good source of fiber, folate, vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as chromium, a trace mineral that helps insulin transport glucose from the bloodstream into cells. That's good news if you're keeping an eye on your blood sugar levels. Aside from vitamins, 1 cup of cooked asparagus contains 40 calories, 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 404 milligrams of potassium. 2. It has the potential to aid in the fight against cancer. This herbaceous plant, like avocado, kale, and Brussels sprouts, is high in glutathione, a detoxifying compound that aids in the breakdown of carcinogens and other harmful compounds such as free radicals. As a result, eating asparagus may help prevent and fight cancers such as bone, breast, colon, larynx, and lung cancer. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive daily useful videos. 3. Asparagus is full of antioxidants. It ranks among the top fruits and vegetables in terms of its ability to neutralize cell-damaging free radicals. This may aid in the slowing of the aging process and the reduction of inflammation. More anti-aging foods can be found here. 4. Asparagus improves brain function. Another anti-aging benefit of this delicious spring vegetable is that it may aid in the fight against cognitive decline. Asparagus, like leafy greens, contains folate, which, when combined with vitamin B12, found in fish, poultry, meat, and dairy, helps to prevent cognitive impairment. An older adult with healthy levels of folate and B12 performed better on a test of response speed and mental flexibility, according to a Tufts University study. If you're over 50, make sure you're getting enough B12 because your ability to absorb it declines with age. Learn more about anti-aging foods by checking out our list of the best foods to keep your brain young. It's also a natural diuretic. It contains a high concentration of the amino acid asparagine, which acts as a natural diuretic, and increased urination not only releases fluid but also aids in the removal of excess salts from the body. This is especially beneficial for people who have edema, fluid accumulation in the tissues of the body, or who have high blood pressure or other heart-related diseases. Finally, to answer a frequently asked question about why eating asparagus causes a strong urinary odor. Asparagus contains a unique compound that, when metabolized, produces a distinct odor in the urine. Because young asparagus contains higher concentrations of the compound, the odor after eating these vernal shoots is stronger. However, there are no negative effects from the sulfuric compounds or the odor. While it is thought that most people produce these odorous compounds after eating asparagus, only a few people can detect the smell.